This is the 3D VIEW-MASTER science fiction blockbuster Dune. A place beyond your dreams, a movie beyond your imagination. Dune is a world where giant sandworms guard creation's greatest treasure, the spice that prolongs life. The emperor of the known universe has an evil plot to seize control of Dune and eliminate the House Atreides because he fears Duke Leto Atreides' rising power. According to the emperor's plot, the Atreides family, Duke Leto, Lady Jessica and Paul, and its loyal forces have been ordered to leave their planet Caladan and travel to Dune, where they will replace the evil Baron Harkonnen as rulers of the planet and its spice. Before House Atreides is on Dune, the Emperor orders his Sodoka troops and Baron Harkonnen's warriors to invade and kill Duke Leto and his son. The Baron is victorious and only Paul and his mother escape into the desert where the spice is harvested. This dangerous world is not only infested by sandworms, which devour everything in their path, but also populated by desert nomads called Freemen. The Freemen who have secret plans to turn their planet green and claim their independence from the Emperor. Befriend Jessica and Paul. Paul soon learns the ways of the Freemen, falls in love with beautiful Jenny, takes the water of life and passes all required tests, including riding the mile-long sandworm. The prophecy fulfilled. Paul becomes a leader with incredible powers, able to command an army of 5 million warriors. In a final battle against the Emperor and his forces, Paul wins control of the universe and its source of ultimate power. He also avenges his father's death. Paul can now fulfill his destiny on a planet called Dune. VIEW-MASTER Reel 1. Picture 1. Emperor guides his daughter Irulan from throne room. Picture 2. Navigator demands Paul's death. Picture 3. Emperor and Reverend Mother conference. Picture 4. Paul shows skill against fighter robot. Picture 5. Reverend Mother tests Paul with pain box. Picture 6. Baron Harkonnen plots attack with his nephews. Picture 7. Sandworm swallows spice harvester. VIEW-MASTER Reel 2. Picture 1. The dying Duke was betrayed by Dr. Yueh. Picture 2. Baron's nephew enters city under attack. Picture 3. Paul and his mother are left in the desert. Picture 4. Paul sets Thumper to distract a sandworm. Picture 5. In Freeman Hall, Janie hands Paul a Christ knife. Picture 6. Paul will show his power to the Freemen. Picture 7. Paul destroys obelisk to become a leader. VIEW-MASTER Reel 3. Picture 1. Paul and Stilgar ride the sandworm. Picture 2. Emperor's ship is about to land on Dune. Picture 3. Paul's sister, Ella, disables Baron Harkonnen. Picture 4. Alia wanders among dead Emperor's troops. Picture 5. Paul confronts Thufir, a mentat. Picture 6. Paul fights a duel with the Baron's nephew. Picture 7. Paul, the victor, becomes the new leader. We want to add new videos every day, and if you don't want to miss any of them, subscribe to our channel for free.
And press the little bell. We are also happy to have a thumb up.